Okay, asingeneni kuyo ke siqede le ndaba le. Siqedeni. Okay, right. 1, kupulele inkiri favor 1. Kupulele tlole ngimese. Mese ke mfana omushapo. Mese ke awuthe sharp wafit. If you go blame someone, if you go I should punching back. Mo, I should punching back about fit too. I mean, I'm just cancel myself. You can't cancel me. I mean, I'll cancel myself. But I wanna clear it out. So that we understand everyone. So I think going live here maybe is the best way, because I tried to make a video that side. It's a lot and stuff. Okay, 1. The song, it's released under Mess Music. The reason why it's released under Mess Music is because of us and Something Soweto. Before we released the song, we've been going back and forth. I want you guys to listen now. It's time to listen. You guys need to listen now first before ni tatama sides nienza yonke lento leni enihlanisayo. 1, the song when it was produced, Something Soweto was not there, right? So it was Star Quality, Howard, and Mess Music in the studio that did the song. The Amalanga funny part was not there yet. So Howard did that. Steli Langa 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 sharp. Then Something Soweto came, right? And recorded the song, whatever. Then they went live. Okay, everyone is excited. They did a nice song, sharp, right? The problem, it came when now Something Soweto wanted the master share, right? I don't know if you understand the master share. We've been talking about it, or what's master and stuff and whatever. So master share, which means Something Soweto wanted to own like the master of the song, right? He's got the right to do that if there's always negotiations and stuff, and how songs in labels. Sometimes we agree on the master share, sometimes you don't. You take whatever. You take the other royalties and stuff, right? So now the problem became when we want to drop the song, right? So now Something Soweto says he wants the master share. So okay, sharp. Master share Okonahali, you get it, because of Mess Music is under my label, New Money Gang, right? Mess Music is under New Money Gang. So he's my artist, right? So when you're an artist, you can't own, when you are signed to a label, you can't own masters. The label own the masters. That's the law. Sign a contract, that's it. It's on paper and stuff, right? So Mess Music can't drop that song now on the label because of Something Soweto, Onyaka, master share, right? Then, at first, I didn't want to give the master share, whatever. But now I'm seeing where time is going, and you guys want the song, and the song is hot and stuff. So now I came to decision, okay, sharp, it's fine. You can take the master. Now, when we agree to take the master, what's happening? He doesn't want to release the song. So now I'm asking myself, what's the problem now? Because you said you want the master. Now we want to give you the master share. He doesn't want to take the master. So what's the problem? I don't know. Okay, sharp. Go back and forth with the lawyers. We went back and forth. We've been going back and forth with the lawyers, right? We came with a decision. It's like, okay, sharp, Mess Music. It seems like maybe me and Something Soweto have a problem. You drop the song on your label. Well, understand? Drop the song on your label, right? Sharp. The song is out. It's not in my label. It's not under New Money Gang, right? We decided now, okay, sharp, drop that side, right? So when we agree to drop that side, now he doesn't want the song to be out now. Now he doesn't want the song to be out at all. We tried detail We understand. Re tryile ditsela tso tsotlhe, re zamile ditsela tso tsotlhe to drop the song. We couldn't. You understand? So the best way was to do what? Let's drop the song. Katsela at best, so that you guys can have the song. That was the best way to drop the song. Right? So now, obviously, you guys, you're going to be mad. Little kwata, what's a creditor, whatever. Yes, I'm creditor because of this. We've been going back and forth. So now, nego couple of favor one. I just need one favor from you guys. The second time mess. Please don't put mess in this mess. Kalokopa wa fitu. Ketaba ya kale something so wetu. Wa understand. So, and then something so wetu. We come far with him. Right? If you notice back then, we've been holding something Soweto, like we've been holding him down. Because album is Pity. It was recorded in my house. He owns the whole master. He owns the whole master of Pity. We recorded this guy, Kontlumiaka. Right? Mess Music was the guy who was recording that young man, Bafit Kalkopa Bafit. Kupola, if you go cancel a moto, lenga cancel na. Now I'll bounce back, Bafit to go woo and nage strong at tape. Mara Mess Music. He tried his level best to drop the song. And the young man he's been frustrated because of something Soweto. He doesn't know how to handle his business. Something Soweto. Something Soweto is a drill, same WhatsApp group. You understand? Banal problem that can't handle business properly. You understand? Something Soweto will be far by now. You understand? Like, I'm a big fan of something Soweto. I respect his craft. More than anything, karata, music was high, but his attitude is sharp sometimes because he doesn't know how to handle business. Like a business, we're talking about business. You understand? You can't come to someone's space, wakra beat, ready, wakra honalidi huku, wakra honalidi something. Then now you wanna sabotage that song. You understand? You already ukrele pina ela. Moke bolela need. You understand? Ukrele pina ela. How at setsa operile? Telilang. Na ni. You understand? So now, Okrele Pina, then now he wants to bully Mess in this situation. He wants to bully him. You understand? And fuck up the young boy. The young boy in fact to Obetile Topo. Now what trend? I understand because of this whole situation. You understand? So the best way is either we take down the song. You're gonna listen to the song on YouTube, and then accept the whole Pina. Whatever, really maripalan. You understand? Or we come up on a good agreement. You understand? Spitty Pity, the whole album was recorded in my house. The whole Spitty Pity album. Aglaleki was not something Soweto's song. You understand? Aglaleki was Shasha's song. I decided cause urufile mantombozana, like guys, I want you guys to be. I know I'm a controversial person. A lot of people don't like me, don't like my success, don't like how I've achieved everything and stuff and how I handle shit, right? But now Arabulilin, right? This guy, he was coming to my house every day, recording Spitty Pity album. We did the whole album. Lena, Kabza the Small, we've been supporting, never supported this guy. Well, I understand. Mess Music was the guy who was doing engineering, was there. When he something Soweto is a perfectionist. Well, I understand. When it comes to vocalist, he can record one take. He can record 100 times, just one take, just to make sure that it's perfect, right? I respect this craft. With something Soweto with this craft, bro, like I respect that nigga. You know what I'm saying? He's the guy. You understand? But the attitude will never take you anywhere. Attitude can fuck up you. Attitude can fuck up your business. Attitude can fuck up relationships. You understand? Why we don't have relationship with him is because of attitude and not meeting standard. You can't want to take everything. You can't just want to eat everything, want to take everything. No, we have to share. We have a problem of sharing things. He wants to take everything. He wants to own the masters. He wants to own the masters, just pity. And he wants to own the master. That's our dispute. He can't take everything, Bafetu. Awukona hali. Kimufile aklaleki. Angasni ukuthi amantombozana afatha amathi aklaleki. Eyasayetsanga. Uyile verse fela. Ayiraselo kwa aklaleki. a ke pina ya shasha ka mo fa yona ka re tshwara, because knowing me, because me, I'm a businessman. I know, I can see, and then I make more sense of energy pop. Yeah, only people, only energy pop. So what happened? What happened? Who hitting? Heke bona mantombozana itrenda toya ya godimo abeta topo. Cause ke motho wa hype, urata hype, imetisa topo to. So anyoko release, anyoko irang. Kiri mona mantombozana just released a month ago. When anyoko dropper, anyoko dropang. Cause don't you yemele pina at least milk from amantombozana, milk from amantombozana, right? So kamaka mona ka sharp o ka mona o na le bothatanyana re ke me fe hit ka pela ka mo fa ke la leke hore re be balanced. So no onyoko una everything a o khonahale shem wa understand aka se nyoko una mantombozana ha fa tsa monyoko una spitipiti e re miretseng yona album yo otle ko nna wa understand. So that's the problem we're having. So me and him we have a problem. So now it affect a mess. So he affected a mess. So he said, no, I don't want this song to be dropped under New Money Gang. Okay, sharp. You don't want the song to be dropped under New Money Gang, sharp. It's out. It's out on New Mask Music. So I've been trying my best for the song to be out. No, guys. This thing of now always I have to take an L for bullshit. You understand? Because of now he's trying to act like a saint. He wants to act like that song. Hey, what? He didn't want that song to be out in the first place. He didn't want that song to be out at the first place. O tlala ka madlozi ya hae di boy. Wa ngare o irile pina e desebe ana fetsa mo gore batho ba sa ikria. Wa hafa. O tlala ka di blessings tsa hao. O tlala ka di blessings tsa hao wena. Lirile pina kwale, lirile pina. Do you know the songs? Pela Jolina, the musician, we are here to make you guys feel good. Groove sing that literally go when we play these songs, we make you guys feel good. You understand? So now, what Sansa Daleka like ya high? What Sansa Daleka Madozai? Satala gave me raw for Papa. Pinela was supposed to give it a blessing. No, Pina, I know, as a blessing. This song, we already gave it up for it. We didn't even want to drop the song. But because of we see the traction, it's like, oh shit, something Soweto is back. They've been waiting for him, whatever. Estate and I come back, he's sabotaging this song. You understand? So now I'm just keeping it clear so that this thing, ukawatile batho ba banji. Bo heavy ke ba go shoot the video o ba kawatile. Bo mang why you go to other people's space afa moto ba kawat. Ona le relationship ar bona re ke ba ba kae batho ba ba rekang le bona. Ba lo reng they've had like a good agreement. You always fuck up everything at Samanko yon. You understand? Yes, his music is very good like Bona. If something so to remove her attitude and ego and everything, I love that nigga. That nigga is the best. He's doing the best for South Africa. Unfortunately, and then I won't hate that. Even if I hate his attitude, I still play that song because that song is a nice song. It makes people. I'm like, when I play that song, I look at people how they react. It's a good feeling. Why would you want to sabotage that song? You understand? That's my problem with all this shit. You understand? And then now I look like the bad person. Now I'm the guy I removed 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Lisa tala ka di like tsa ha mfanula. O tala rough for that boy. O tala rough for that boy. Na re win business here. Win business here. Re razaka mo re razaka re tlo change maphelo a rona, tlo change maphelo a di family tsa rona. If yena o bona ka blessing ya ha nka dlala ka yona. Ba tla mtsela yona hona no ba mkapile bo botle ba Setril Taliwonga Amos Mlindo nga wala bona bo botle Sinomsolo bo mang ba kapa something Soweto because something Soweto yena because utlilele wave o fila hore ke tlilele wave le nka se increasele 1 2 3 4 ba mtsela yona no ba mtsetse hona no o irile hore batho ba ba le di career because of yena o fila hore what wa tsamaile go grouping ele. Because nata what's a go grouping or because I feel or what. No, sometimes you need to work with people, bro. We worked with you. We fucking worked with you with your fucking album there. We made you big. Album Ela. Spitty album Ela. What fucking produced by us they conclude that's all. And Rufile master. Hona no one you go una master ya tsarona. One you go una di master to wena. Wa only greedy wena. Wa only greedy wena. Wa only greedy wena. Wa only greedy wena. Why only greedy? o nyoko una di-master tso tsotlhe rona reng re bana ba gago rona re berekela wena rona re dikolobe re berekela wena tshwanetse o tseye dilo tso tsotlhe a e bereke bjao game. We share this shit understand, we share this shit. If this song tshwanetse re cancela re kana ra cancela ona stress because already blessing ya thing is ichabile because we lokile wena. You just sabotaged yourself and us just because of a beautiful song that was gonna do great, and we were willing to do everything for this song. I gave up everything. It's like what mess music na mfana ka kena hana la wena. Ay man, tsamaya nna le yena something so weto o ifunally is thinking at the truth nna le yena. Mara as ator sokodisa bana tor philisa botlhoko so man. And then Remo hold that down. This guy Remo hold that down. Remo hold that down. Remo hold it. I my mess pity fucking recorded in my fucking house, man. What you trying to say? Hey, nage Remo feel master. Pity. Aglalegi. I'm a DM. What? Really, that's all. Kon na me bra. So no one know how to sabotage you so, and then you wanna act like a saint or when I'm gonna look lo sa look. I look away, man. I look at silo. When I look how I'm fana go kawate hang mess. Why don't you kawate mess? Why don't you kawate mess out to sitting when. When a mess, two seats away, now we read the album, recordile, you will a patient. Not a nerpalla because of we couldn't handle your shit. That nigga, he hold you down. You couldn't hold him one. Capine one. No. If Linaliena, I stress. Mara, he's a fuck up, that nigga. He's a fuck up. No, not a shoot Yamasepa, Jew. And then talent fella don't help, bro. If you have talent only, don't help. Ingasu tusi talent fella, bro. You need to have brains, you need to be business minded, you need connections, you need relationships. With this life, you need relationships. Hona no palla konta di pina because of one relationship. Wa usanti wena di pina tsa hao. Wa usanti di pina tsa hao wena. Wa palla because of everywhere you plant rotten potatoes. Mo ra o kakala go jang. Every time wa kaka wa chawa, o kakala go jang. Auna ba to no ba go no thusa. Hu ke manga o thusang. No, you have to go back to the same people. That's why you went back. Pina e ama 10,000 ir like a mess. And a mess who couldn't sabotage Amos. He could sabotage you. He could sabotage Amos and say, no, I don't want that song to be dropped. Amos, o santa pina il. Maruna lipile pila un se pina il. No. The mawaza glutse you etsang. Hana no go ekitang ka pela botlhoko. Stating the way ntse life are maybe Israel drop pina ila. Ru fila di pina go fila aglaleki wena man. Go fila aglaleki. Aglaleki is not your song, bro. Aglaleki is not your song. It was shasha. Why you wanna be greedy when? Why you go greedy? You go own the master to totally. Okay, you own the master. If you go own a man tombozan, you own the master. That's pity. Hey, Lorona refer the master. Ronaldo Cabza, mama, but producing album. Refer the master here, cause you own those masters alone. So Ronari Barita how Rona. Ready Barita how. Ay man. Sa dot ketsa senti motho. Sa dot ketsa senti mo ka rona no go ketsa batho ba bete ka rona. O masepa motho man. Go fix your shit there. How? Look sa lo tsa ro entse ditlo tse pila wena man. Ro entse ditlo tse pila wena. We did good things for you. You need to return that favor from us. Why don't you wena no go benefit only one wena? Why? No, mfana kangas kawate hibiana. Lukas tole mfana kawat. Mess doesn't do anything. Hasn't done any bad to anyone. All he's been doing is been helping people. He's been producing and helping. What's on some kawat? Kawate lang there boy. Phone na. Yeah. Ay man. Nang le na something so to amasepa. Nang le na ke lamrata. Nang le mara ito chuta ke masepa. Nang lena tla bona o tla bereka le mang cause everywhere a tsamayang ko teng you always o tshwana le something o tshwana le setril ba tshwana ba tshwere ba diagnosed the same. They always plant rotten potatoes everywhere they go. Basing. It's still and business minded. And then, look, talent won't help you, bro. All you guys want to be talented. All you guys, you think you're talented, and you think talent is going to fuck you. It's going to help you. Nothing is not going to help you. Sounds really distinct. Sounds really chalohan. Where say the brains. How? Ay, nang li Twitter nya na lona. Tsa mang li katsong cancela. Kwa ta bona. Na bo ira hiti mo. Don't call my issue. What this why about set style? This why about kapile bo botle bo. This why about set style. Wona no feel batho bo botle career because of wena o no go nno ria. What. Ba style style sa how. Ashule ona le pinengwe Calvin Momo we dropile mo. It sounds like you that guy. Ba re ke impina e. Ba replace it mo because of you've got attitude. Bo dali ba replace it. Bo mama ba replace it. You wanna come as a saint here. Nkaro wena nkaro lukile nkaro ngwana o sale wa lo lutsotsi wena o sele o wena o sana le botsotsi nyana bo ba hao bo tronko nyana ya o ke yone o khawatileng o ya tronko nyana ke yone o khawatileng le betso re motsotsi nyana wena sana to re tloela blind mo to re pella iso ha o thusitse iso go kaimeng bo feel something go feel aglaleki I gave you aglaleki I said ke bulela ka chest ke ntshitse ke pina e rile ke Stoke hore be big. Stoke was the first person to play this song Akula Lake, so I already knew hore pina is gonna be big. So that's why I go feel yona so that immediate standard. So even if when you come you wanna fight already for Mantombozana 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 ru feel Akula Lake you go ring ru feel Akula Lake o tsena go 4 minutes your verse. It's 4 minutes and you're saying you're gonna say that song is yours. Fuck you, man. Thusitse guru thusitse mona o bola ke tlala iso o sokola iso o tla ka daso ra o thusa ina le kapsa mfethu. You were coming every day Rafa Space. You were coming every day into the house. Every day. Kwena daso wa record amola rufile space sa wa ira album tso mo tlelang spiti le mpotso Uru emuna wena muna masepa motho wena man nkwatisa wena pila cause like kindness ya rona like us being good to you take advantage of that or not aware to go wena man nang le na something so weto alona o nang le if you learn Oriena, na le pile sharp. Cause na le pile masipa. O kawati le mfanaka. And mfanaka hold him down, though. Like mass music hold this nigga down. Like down, like as it says a G. And on so. Now we have to look bad as if Rona we discredited you there. Obviously, reposting live, we went live, we saw, but obviously we can't do anything because of you fighting us. You don't want the song to be out. So we have to take you out on the song, so that the song can be out, and then we'll take it from there. Fuck the song, actually, no go rain Sarausani Pinela. Rain Sapinela, YouTube. Because of really, I'm not blessing. Like Pinela doesn't have blessing at all. It's fucked already. You've ruined my boys' movement now. Lisamfonela man. How? When I get the mate, you saw I've saved this culture, my bra. I fucking saved this culture. Lino go ring. Cause I've saved this culture. Lino no kabza on ataba kabza kam call this thing. Yeah? Lena no game yo otle e o rebe biana la itso re ile ke mang I fucking saved this culture of South African music. South African SA is driven by this motherfucker. I've saved a lot of things. I've crawled for you guys. This is what I'm gafela, man. Le sa tlo nyela man. Le sa tlo nyela lona. There's only one Kazamotomo, man. All Batuba, they want to see me down because of I'm the guy. I've made this shit happen. I'm a piano, it's Africa, it's a village. Yes. Like my piano yetang. Do you know what I've did for this country? Do you fucking know what I did for this country? Like he's in Turkey and saying for a country. You help people about betray. You help people about betray. Everyone around me, all the motherfuckers, all the but what about two things, but betray, okay. But I'm still here, I'm still standing, I'm still strong. Lesanyela, lesatonyela, lesanyela. Kim two seats, nice, but give me something so Kim two seats, that man. I said Nagirling I say to run a business. It's not me. I said he can't keep relationships. Another relationship. You can't keep relationship. If you don't have relationship, there's no network, no net worth. I wanna silo, I'll take any silo. Long about blind way wrong. And then when the idea's out there, someone is gonna take it and is gonna do it better than you. Sakwata. If Nagira beat no mutuan kopisa, o sakwata. That's how the universe works. Ashulem do TRP mola bam kapile. Asakwata horiena. We sent he sent the idea out there to everyone. So hebam kapa. Asakwata. That's how it is. That's how I learned the game. Kitene ka ukapa babang lena no bang kapa. Akikwati. I just give all strength. Oh. Go to the wave. Nele twala batho man. Linale jealous. Some people linale jealous. Ali no go bona motho ale godimo kwa, ali no go bona motho ale in between. Every time haya kwa fela le ba threatened. Jealousy. Onka jealous tsa motho o thusang. Akizi la na ke tlhaloganyo le hola bjang. I'm disappointed. At least the battle was important to life, but we are playing a role. Like role. Do you know what I've done to this nation? Hey, Bafid. Like let me explain you about one thing. Like Adiwele. Adiwele ki create ko kabza da by producer what ka create pinela. Nearly 3 minutes ne senki fele. Ka fitla daso ka ifeleletsa pinela ka itsia ne le na kwa di lockdown ne re lo tse ding tso ne re lo se ne re di party runa ka di lockdown nona le pleke ngo ba re ke Ghana why so dance hore ho le dance why so re le ke mang dance e re le ke Val Nation ko Ghana re le di party di underground ka tsia pina ela ka dlala pina ela after dlala pinela rita level that movement or ke tsia pina ka bona potential ya pina ka itsia ka bounce ka irang ka arrange ka irang ka yo dlala ho dlala hola mo aya change waffles bophelo ba ya ba change from pina eo level la waffles no wirang ka pina ela fela di wele em trendy thing bona go ka eno ono kompotso re na ke play role mo gaming ya South Africa music ke motho fela lona le khatleha motho a bolela like a vanda nje like le metsa style jo a ke style mo gaming a ke style ba fit. I'm here to say I've been saving this game. Ke save le game yo tla ra ja bo botle no. Le re ke gatekeeper ke gatekeeper bjang bana ba piano ba ja bo botle le lahlanya la nyela na ke gatekeeper bjang ke gatekeeper bjang batho ba ja bo Mac G ba dlala dipina tsa rona daso bo Sol Penduka ba dlala dipina tsa rona ke gatekeeper bjang cause wa ja motho o ja ka nna ke gatekeeper bjang ko bolela ntlhalosetse that meaning of gatekeeping or king ke gatekeeper bjang mputseng mtlhalosetseng kan skwa tse ke king kan king gatekeeper cause bona batho ba itse skwa o feta nna bona ba re ke gatekeeping mara king gatekeeping king ba fethu cause ke butse game ho tseya kabza ke mea on my wing mo ke mrute business. He's a fucking multi-millionaire, this guy, dog. Millionaire. Ki gatekeeper bjang game. Mputseng, tlhalosetseng, man, akitse sekgowa man. Ki gatekeeper bjang game. Tlhalosetseng. Because all I've been saving is this game. I've saved this game. I took first my Sponono ka isa go Nigeria, ka save Nigeria, ka save Africa yotle, ke mapiano. So le re ke gatekeeper eng? Ke gatekeeper eng? Mputseng. Ke gatekeeper eng? Cause ke tlhokometse bafana ba ka botho, bafana ba ke make sure ba le sharp. Lisi Melon Sleazy ka mang? How witsi mele ke mang le umitse ka mang Melon Sleazy wena? Ho witsi Melon Sleazy umitse ka mang? Ho witsi Tyler umitse ka mang? Mes Dali wonga ho ra tswelle pele, obviously na betha mara ra tswelle pele a be sta lo feta. Jealous, le bola ke jealous le bo Satan. Alena moya mo pila. Ale kono lo bona le nthe pila cause ba le hodisa pila ba le hodisitse ka moya o mobe ale itse le right le wrong ale kono lo bona I made millionaires. I've made niggas millionaires but ba nna go dintlong tsa di million my manager o nna go ntlong ya manager ka nna go ntlong ya 6 million le no go reng alle go bona motho yo go pele hele bona motho go le ba threatened for eng cause tsantsa yo go pele kwa a khone go bontsha ro tsela tse ya di tsela di bang emna game ke tswere bana gore nna ke be rich nna ke tswere zaka nna ke be le zaka it's because of ke be le solution ko gaming that's how I make my money I make my money because of I'm a problem solver. I solve problems. That's why about henga. That's why about bolaya. That's why about polaya. That's why about suicidal. It's because of you guys. You don't even think when you comment there. Every time when you comment there, you don't use your brains. I never see loads. That's why I'm at polaya because of kimasipa later. Le batho ba important. Re lose the riki ka taba tsona tse tsa lona tse. Motho important was playing a good role in the youth space. But you didn't even fucking see that shit. Salona fela le go cheka di weak points tsa batho fela hore motho weak ko kae. Le go appreciate le sle queen tse tsa ntsha marao le what di batho ba useless fela batho ba important ba playing role ale banaki. Government ai naki. Art and culture ai naki. So ke ntse tšhelete ka go potleng ke make sure motho ke mo fa 5,000 a ire a be sharp stano le boditse first tšhelete ya hae ya music we create go nna 5,000 a ikra ile bine ko kapsa we create go nna ka fa sa mo nyoko etsa nna motho mo nna le bosatane man a le beng le moyo mo right man a le beng le moyo mo right please man a le beng le moyo mo right le tleleng go bola moya re tletse o le thusa iso re tletse o le fa di-ideas re tletse o le inspire iso ke tletse o le inspire gore ke nne himo mo le yanate ke tletse o inspire wena gore wena o kgone go bona gore this thing e kgone iragala did a lot for this country, man. Did fucking a lot for this culture, this movement, man. Every Monday just for the movement. Bamfadi sente kwale, chelete bamfanga yona ha irisilo. E patala security le ba bereki ba batho ba go berekang le bona. Just for gore ke re movement. Movement, the culture.
Ungakhohlwa ukulike, ushare, uphinde usubscribe. Leyo-ke bokuthi DJ Maphorisa eyikhulumela ngodaba oluhamba phambili njengoba sazi ukuthi kunengxushungxushu ngodaba lwakhe no-Something Soweto obelinye lama-artist abesebenzisana nalo kakhulu. Lolu daba-ke ilona oluthrendayo kulesikhathi samanje, but la sizwele u-DJ Maphorisa eyichazela lonke udaba ukuthi kwenzakaleni, kwenzakalani. Asike sihlangane ku-comment section sive uvo lwakho ukuthi wena uthini ngalolu daba. Danke, siyabonga.